Hi everybody and tutor. My name is Andres Felipe Zuluaga. I'm 32 years old. I live in Medellin and I'm studying system engineering, and I got 5 months trying to learn English with people from another countries where people are native speaking English. Um, I like so much the language, the English language, and I would like to learn very well and improve my English. I have to talk about some place in Medellin, and I chose the Culture Palace. It's located in a historical part of city, and there is an construction work composed by Belgian architect Augustin Guberst between 1929 and 1937. Some people who are going there don't stop admiring its architecture of Gothic style. I hope you can visit it and enjoy of them. Okay, I have to say goodbye. See you later.